How's it going? Welcome to another video. Today I want to bring to you Got Back Up, a company, it's been around for, over 8 years, but they revamped it, and of course it's going viral on the internet. So I want to bring you my insights on why I think it might be a great, monthly income earning program. So Got Back Up, the specific service they're offering right now is a backup. Most places have backups such as, iCloud, stuff like that. It's a backup, but it comes with, way more terabytes, 6 terabytes. You see I have it right here running on my software, everything's synced. I'm just going to give you different bins, as it, backs up your data that you can always have, because I've had many computers go out, hard drives go out, and they're just not reliable. So all your information will be backed up in the cloud no matter what happens. You see we have the leaderboard right here, which my sponsor is number 1. I just got in today. So I'm fresh in. I just want to get in, while everything was going. And I'm just going to bring you into why I think Got Back Up might be a great program, for you to earn some monthly income. So they have a power line system, like we're hearing lately. They have built-in capture pages, 2 high converting ones, one for cold leads, one for your warm market, more service based. So here's the capture page, straight to the point, pretty simple, pretty nice. Take the free tour, concept. We've seen it. So that's cool. They're still following the format of the high converting, funnel. But one thing that I took away from this is the fact it's a software based company. And it's not something that, people have to kind of like. It's something that, most people need if you want to protect your information, keep your things backed up. It's something that most people have. You're just going to get way more, storage over here, and it's going to be cloud based, and you're going to be able to earn income from it. So that's amazing. So the back office is pretty, quick, simple. They have videos on every step, so you can't go wrong. They have a few promotional tools as well, promo links, banners, and some ad copy. So that's pretty nice. And that's pretty much straight to the point. They have a whole bunch of sections for, commission overview, payout history, downline, direct affiliates, and the cutoff date is on Wednesday. So you have Wednesday at midnight, to plug in, to the system, and possibly have your matrix filled. But also that's when the pay period is going to cut off and you're going to get paid. So how the pay works, I'm still learning the compensation plan, but I've talked to support, and since they do, which is it's a nice benefit, they do a 30-day money back guarantee. So when you get a referral, you're not going to get paid for that referral into the following month, because that referral has up into 30 days to refund. So it's a up and down. Up, you get to refund if it possibly is not something that you like, which it should be something you like. But the negative side of it is it's more, to me, looking like a monthly income until you start bringing in a nice amount of people. So once you bring in a nice amount of people all through the month, then your following month you're going to eventually be getting paid kind of every Friday. Once you build up a nice line of signups every month. But to me, I see it as a monthly thing, because signups aren't guaranteed. You might have a slow month, so I would look for it to be a monthly thing. I'll just look at it like that, income, on the side every single month. So to get into the compensation plan a little bit, it's pretty simple. But that was the biggest portion of when we get paid. So after the first month, they're doing 200% commissions. We'll skip through that. I'll bring that in another video. That's just kind of touching in on the a power line, and what it's there for. But here's the compensation plan. So collect 200% in commissions, and then on the back end, you're going to get 25% in residual income, and then 25% check matches. So if you don't know what a check match is, if you have a direct sign up that makes $2,500, you're going to get 25% of that, and you're going to get that from every direct sale. You can do unlimited direct sales, unlimited check matches, etc. So if we scroll down a little bit, it is a matrix setup, but it's structured on a binary system, you know, with a power leg and a weak leg. So it's a little more complex. But like I said, learn as you go. Don't get too overwhelmed with it. Here's how our 25% matching check pay line pays you unlimited depth. So as we see right here, you get 25% commissions on your direct referral. The total amount of sales made by your direct referrals, the example is $1,500, and then you will collect 25% of this total monthly. So you're going to get paid for the direct sales, 25% of the direct sales, and you're going to get paid 25% of whatever they make. So making your monthly commission a whopping $1,000 plus $375, which equals $1,375. Like I said, don't get too deep into the compensation plan. Just know you're going to get paid 200% commissions up front. You're going to get paid some stuff on the back end. Never get too caught up in the compensation plan. Just learn as you go. I'm still learning it myself. And then welcome to our binary, which is the second part of the pay plan. So on top of our commission pay plan 1, you will also be able to cash in on that binary compensation plan. This is technically the third way we will get paid. All resellers in Got Back Up will also earn on our binary plan. How much one cycles varies upon the profit of the company each month. Binary commissions are calculated at the end of the month. So this is where we get a little more deep. You know, binary is a little more deep than the regular matrices. All you got to do is maintain your monthly membership, meaning you pay your I think it's $9.99. There's no other qualifications needed to make a binary commission. You do not need to make any referrals. However, if you do refer others to your binary, commissions will move faster. Create a cycle. So this is where it gets a little complex. See if I don't think they don't have any pictures on here, but you're gonna have 2 legs pretty much. You want to have 4 people on your power leg and 2 on your weak leg. Your weak leg is your pay leg to earn binary commissions. So you know, pretty much 4 on the power leg, 2 on the weak leg, and once you start, you know, bringing in referrals, you're gonna understand more what that means. And the holding tank they have, which is connected to the binary. So for when you start getting signups for 36 hours, all your referrals are going to sit in the holding tank, and you can move them if you want, or the company will automatically place them. So it's a little more complex than traditional stuff that, you know, I usually bring. But I've been watching a lot of videos, and like I said, I'll start explaining it a little better. But it's not as complicated, because it's not a whole bunch of, you know, ranks, a whole bunch of, you know, different things. It's pretty much you get paid 200 commissions up front. Then in the following month, you're going to get 25% of that membership. And then anything that your referrals make, you're going to get 25% of that. And then when you get out to the binary, it's a little bit more complex, but you're going to have 2 legs. 1 leg is going to be your pay leg. 1 is going to be your power leg. You want to have, you know, 4 people in your power leg, 2 people in your pay leg. And once you cycle, you're going to get a certain amount of money per cycle. So I hope you enjoyed the video. We're going to be breaking it down way better. I'm going to be making a lot of videos on this as I get more information. But I think it's just going to be a good company. It's software based. Everyone's going to, you know, get their product, their software. They're going to always have their software. It's only $9.97 to get started. It's $49.99 as if you want to become an affiliate. Then $9.97 every month. So very low upkeep, but it's software based. So this one specifically is not a regular product. So, you know, even though, you know, my other program, we have health and wellness, even though, you know, you should have a health and wellness product, this is something that most people are going to have. But before we end this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, comment below any questions, and the link to everything will be in the description. Have a good one.